How to change your password on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to change your password on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end. You go first, as every day you will just open Snapchat, then you go up and click on your profile, then you go to settings here and click, and then you go to password, this option. You click on password, then you will add your current password, and then you will add the new password again. And that's it. I don't want to change my password, that's why I didn't add my password here. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.